is all you'll need to make some delicious Nutella cinnamon rolls. Eggs, some bread, some butter, some cinnamon sugar. If you haven't got any cinnamon sugar made up, just make your own. Bit of sugar, bit of cinnamon powder, and Bob's your uncle. Some milk and some Nutella, or in my case the shop's own version, and off we go. First thing we're going to do, cut the crust off your bread and give them a little roll just to flatten them down. You should give it a quick roll and get some of your Nutella on there. If your Nutella's a bit stiff, because it's a bit cold or something, just stick it in the microwave for 20 seconds and that will loosen it up. So get your Nutella on there and then you're just going to roll it up, something like that. With your roll made up and ready, into a bowl with an egg, pinch of salt and a glug of milk. Get them mixed together. Then get a knob of butter into your frying pan and get that turned on. Then we're going to dip your rolls into your egg mixture and into the pan. So butter melted, dip your roll, as I said, into your egg mixture. Into the pan, and what you're going to do, just keep turning it so that all sides are sort of browned off. When they come out of the pan, the final thing you're going to do is give them a shake of your cinnamon sugar. If you want more than 4, then just obviously adjust the ingredients accordingly. Of course, you can cut them just to see what you've got going on inside. Some deliciousness. So get stuck in.